Spybug. An amazing spy cam in the shape of a bug. You can throw it to the wall and it will stick to it. You can connect the Spybug to your mobile phone via Bluetooth and control the device. As it comes with a 10x zoom camera, you can even record the distant objects. This can be used as the safest security measure in the areas with threat. For example, to watch kids or observe suspicious activities outside your home. It comes with DLC night vision cam, and hence the night footage will also be super clear. Spybug can move or fly in a speed up to 20 km per hour on any surface and any angle. In case someone tries to catch the device, it will stick to their skin and give a shock treatment, and will automatically fly back to its original location. We just completed prototyping and are looking for investors to fund commercial production. If you were interested, join our Kickstarter campaign or email us.